Hi. This is a quick little, just a little testimonial in regards to Colin Dijs, Colin's Mastermind. So my name is Greg. I started sweepstakes just this year with Colin's free training and his free Facebook group. So I got into sweepstakes, and I was running a couple of offers. But then Colin offered his mastermind in April. So I said, hey, I got to get on with Colin with this. So I jumped on with Colin, and I started working with him. And as you can see from my dashboard here, the mastermind was in April. So as you can see from my dashboard here, in March, this is a network that I was running my offers with. So in March, I wasn't running anything on this network because the mastermind started in April. So March, I basically had no data. So we started the mastermind in April. The first week of April, I had a lot of issues with setting up my tracking. So for the first week of April, I didn't get my tracking right. I had some difficulties there with my tracking. So basically for that first week, I never really got to really run anything much. So for the first week of April, you could see I just did 9 conversions is what I did. But I finally got my tracking right. And using everything that I learned from Colin, the following week, I did 1,002 conversions, which I got 900, basically $900 there. Then the following week, this is what I did. The following week, I earned, I generated 3,200 in revenue. Then the following week, again, all this is just working with Colin because I never really did anything much with sweepstakes prior to that. I did a couple stuff with his free training, but never really did a whole lot. Honestly, I never really spent as much time as I should have on it there. But then the following week, this is what I generated for that fourth week of April. I was able to generate 3,000 euros there. And the funny thing about that is that for this week, prior to joining the mastermind, I already had scheduled some travel for other things that I'm doing. So from the 25th to the 29th of April, I was traveling. I traveled to another state. I was out of town on business. I was busy all day, every day while I was traveling. So during that time, I only was able to create one offer, not one offer. I was able to create only one campaign during that time. And I still was able to generate $3,000 in revenue. So looking at my entire April last month, and considering that for this first week, I had issues with my tracking. I wasn't able to really run any offers. And then for these last couple of days right here, last 5 days, because of travel, I wasn't able to really do anything much. I wasn't able to build campaigns. I did one campaign while I was traveling. And for the entire month of April, let's see, I did 7,900 euros. So I can definitely say working with Colin was one of the best decisions that I made. Because knowing what I know now, the sky's the limit. Right now, I'm in the process of just ramping up everything because I've kind of figured out, set up my systems, and now I'm just ready to go. So I can definitely say that working with Colin was one of the best decisions that I made, and it's paid off. Because from here, based on my plan that I have right now, the sky's just the limit. That was just a quick video and just to say thanks, Colin, for everything.